Hi everyone, you are watching Math Tech 15. In this video, I am sharing some important topics of the BCA first semester, discrete structures. Before that, we will see the question paper. This time it is for maximum marks, it is 80 marks. The same thing they will give section A, section B and section C. Section A for 2 marks, section B for 5 marks and section C for the 8 marks. Instead of here answer any 4, they will give answer any 6 of the following. In section B also they will ask answer any 6 of the following. Okay. And what are the important topics means matrices is the very important topic. It will come around 16 to 20 and maybe around 22 25 also. So matrices is very important topic. Don't leave that one. In that one you read types of matrices, operations on matrices, properties of determinants, inverse of a matrix is a very important, rank of matrix and Cramer's rule, matrix method. Very important topics. Okay, anyone compulsory they will give. And I made separate video on the matrices lessons. I explained in a detailed way and I solved previous year question papers also. You can go through that when I completed this chapter matrices. And mathematical induction also, it's a very important chapter. 8 to 4 marks definitely it will give. It will come. Okay. So mathematical induction. For the mathematical induction, at least you solve all the worked examples. Okay, worked examples are very important. Here, prove that the sum of first n integers. I show you. And this is it to show. This example 2, this is also very important. It's appeared in 2022 and this example question, it's a problem 3, it's appeared in 2023, it's appeared in 2024. Okay, worked example is very important. It's like 6 to and 5th also you read, 6th one and 7th 8th you read all the worked examples at least. Okay, it will come in a similar way. Don't leave that one. And I solved previous year question paper of mathematical induction also. Next, set theory, it is also minimum 8 marks they will ask, minimum 8 or at least 4 they definitely they will ask. Okay, representation of sets, roster form, tabular form, set builder form means it's a rule form. Okay, rule method. Types of sets. Okay, operations on sets, union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference and definition also. What is the, I will show you. Definition also they will ask for 2 marks in this set theory. Like find the intersection of A intersection B and find the A minus B. And what is the symmetric difference definition? They will ask like this also. Okay. And it is a Cartesian product, A cross B. This is also very important. For the 2 marks they will ask, you read that one also. Okay, you refer the question paper, it's enough for passing package. Laws of set theory and counting principle and Venn diagrams also, it's very simple. I made this is also in the video on the set theory also, and I solved previous year all questions. I solved set theory, matrices, mathematical induction and principle of duality and Cartesian product. It's also Cartesian product, it's important for 2 marks. Okay, you read this one. Next, relations and function, they will ask, it's also very important topic, 6 to 11 marks. Inverse relations and functions. In the functions one question they will ask compulsory and properties of the relation one question compulsory, and definitions, equivalence relation and reflexive and symmetric relation definition 2 marks. Anyone they will give definitely this one. Don't leave this one. What is equivalence relation, what is reflexive and symmetric difference, symmetric relation. Okay. And next is fundamentals of logic. Fundamentals of logic also I made a video on, and I solved previous year question papers also. Okay, prove that tautology, otherwise the contradiction, otherwise the logical equivalence. It's asked for 5 marks, at least 5 to 8 marks they will ask definitely. See here, prove that for any proposition P, Q, R, show that P if then Q and R is equivalent to P if then and P if then R. Okay, and tautology also they asked. Prove that. This is also prove that is there. Prove that proper equivalence relation. Prove that. Here tautology. Okay, it is also prove that. Prove that tautology and contra. What is this one? Contradiction. Okay, this is for 5 marks. I solved all the previous year question paper questions I solved. You go and check that one. A playlist, BCA first semester playlist, you go and check that one. Counting. Here, pigeonhole principle, it's also very important. Permutation and combinations. I solved all the previous year question papers of permutations and combination, and I explained the concepts in a detailed way, permutation and combinations, and I added the videos in your BCA first semester group also. You go and check that one. Binomial coefficient, this also important. You go through this one also. Next is graph theory. In this one, the Hamiltonian graph and the graph of isomorphism. These two are very important, and you read this one also. Don't leave this one. Euler graph and directed as cyclic graph and Platonic graph and connectivity and Euler and Hamilton path diagram, the digraphs. Okay, this is also exact marks. It's not possible to tell, but minimum 5 to maximum 8, otherwise more also it will come. Graph theory also one of the important chapter. Minimum you will get 5 marks from this lesson. Okay, this is the Hamiltonian graph and the graph of isomorphism. These two are very important. Don't leave this. At least you read this too. It's very important. Next, trees, applications of trees also you read, and trees of the traversal and pre-order, in order and post order. This is also one of the important. It's also already came in your previous year question paper. And next video I will solve today itself only. I will upload this one also. Don't worry. It came in 2024. Define the handshaking lemma with example. This is also 3 marks and this is 5 marks. Find in order, pre-order and post-order transversal of the following tree. Don't leave this one. It's also very important. Okay. And minimum spanning tree, Prim's algorithm and Kruskal algorithm. This is also already I solved all the previous year question paper questions. You didn't check, means please go and check that one. It's also very important topic. 8 marks definitely, minimum 8 marks you will get from the trees. Okay, maximum it may I think this year they will ask more, at least 16 marks they will ask. At least minimum 8 marks you will get definitely. Okay, and I solved this one, Prim's algorithm and Kruskal algorithm I already solved. Still you didn't check, means please go and check that one. And share the videos to your friends, and all the very best for your exams. And don't be panic, be cool, and solve all the previous year question paper questions and similar questions. They will ask, if they didn't ask same question, means at least they will ask similar questions. Okay, similar questions, and otherwise the same type of surrounding questions. Okay, so you refer the previous year question paper. It's very important. Thank you, and share the videos to your friends. Still you didn't subscribe the channel, means please subscribe the channel.